చిన్నారి పెళ్లి కూతురు అనగానే మన కళ్ళ ముందు టక్మని గుర్తొచ్చేసి పేరు ఒకే ఒక పేరు అవికా గోర్ గారు. ఉయ్యాల జంపల పాప్కార్న్ సినిమా చూపిస్తా మామ.
లక్ష్మీ రావే మై
వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్
ugly story.
क्या मैम ऐसा why I am doing like this?
Yeah, and you know, I was going back home with that feeling of complete energy drained.
Are you comfortable with this character? The Radha also.
Yeah.
What is that book name?
Trust Fall.
Oh. May 22.
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है?
May 22nd is, I think, is going to be.
అంటే ఇష్టం లేదు.
ఈవెన్ చూడగానే దేశం అందరికీ ఒకటే గుర్తొస్తుంది. చిన్నారి పెళ్లి కూతురు అనగానే మన కళ్ళ ముందు టక్మని గుర్తొచ్చేసి పేరు ఒకే ఒక పేరు అవికా గోర్ గారు. ఆమె తెలుగు సినిమాల్లో కూడా ఉయ్యాల జంపాలతో స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు. ఇప్పుడు అగ్లీ స్టోరీ అంటూ మన ముందుకు వస్తున్నారు. మే 22వ తారీఖున ఈ సినిమా విడుదలకు సిద్ధంగా ఉంది. అందుకనే ఆమె అసలుకి ఏంటి ఆమె సినిమా గురించి, ఆమె వ్యక్తిగత విషయాల గురించి మాట్లాడటానికి టాక్ తెలుగు ముందుకు వచ్చారు. నమస్తే అవికా గోర్ గారు.
Namaste. I'm very excited to speak with you because every time we have a conversation, people really like to see that side of me because there's so much information that I have about myself that I give out to you. It is amazing for people to watch.
పర్ఫెక్ట్ మేడం. మా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల కోసం నేను తెలుగులో క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతాను. మీకు తెలుగు అర్థమవుతుంది కదా?
I understand completely. I just can't form sentences. But I understand. So you can speak in Telugu. No
అసలు తెలుగులో ఏమన్నా వస్తాయి అసలు మీకు మామూలుగా? అంటే తెలుగు సినిమాల ద్వారా ఎంత పరిచయం అయ్యారు?
I think I have been surrounded by too many languages in general. I live in Mumbai, so Marathi. I speak Kachhi Gujarati at home. Then I've studied French in school. English is kind of my first language because even at home sometimes I speak in English. And yeah, I have too many friends in Punjab, Bengal, so those people kind of speak that language, so I understand that language as well. I've also done a Kazakh film, so a little bit of Russian. Because I was there, I was excited to learn. Now I live in Bangkok, so Thai. So there are too many languages.
Okay, 10 to 15 languages.
And it's all mixed up in my head. But at the end of the day, when it comes to the language Telugu, I think it's the easiest for me to understand because the emotions just reach out. I think I've been working here for so long now, I think 2013 onwards.
Yes.
That every narration that I have, even now, whenever the director is speaking to me, whenever they're explaining me what the shot is, everything happens in Telugu and I get it. So I understand completely. It's just that I'm unable to form sentences. And I also think that if I end up speaking Telugu, I'll be very conscious and then I will only speak like in 2 lines and my answer is done. I don't want that. I rather speak more.
You elaborate and that.
Yeah, because otherwise when you ask me how was the experience working in the movie, I'll be like chala baagundi and enough, right? So I don't want that. I want to talk about every little thing and every detail of what I feel, and I feel in English, so
Yeah, yes.
that is why.
రైట్. నేను 13 ఏళ్ళుగా చూస్తున్నాను మిమ్మల్ని. దేనికంటే మీరు డే 1 హైదరాబాద్కి వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ ప్రసాద్ ల్యాబ్ లో ఒక మంచి పట్టు పరికిని వేసుకొని వచ్చి అలా కూర్చోగానే ఉయ్యాల జంపాల అనే దానిలో అరే భలే ఎంఐఏ కదా బాలికవదు అని అందరూ మాట్లాడుకునేవారు. అప్పటికే మీరు చాలా ఫేమస్. ఆ సినిమాతోనే రాజ్ తరుణ్ అరంగేట్రం చేశాడు. ఇద్దరు కలిసి విరించి వర్మ గారి దర్శకత్వంలో ఫస్ట్ టైం చేసి అలా అందరికి అలా ముద్దుగా కనిపించిన ఒక అమ్మాయి స్టిల్ ఇంకా ముద్దుగానే ఉంది.
I think whatever happened with Uyala Jampala, the level of success I saw or the level of love that I saw, full credit goes to the director because I would have never thought of myself doing a Telugu film first. No connection with Telugu
Correct.
people, right? So I had so at that age, I didn't even know that there is a difference between Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. For me, it was South Indian cinema, right?
Every Bombay wala same sochte.
Exactly. And I was, 15 years old.
Yeah.
So I did not even watch too many South Indian films. So I had no idea. For me, it was, yeah, Nagarjuna sir, Rajnikant, all same. But there is so much difference now, I get it. But I think it was the right time because I had announced it in Mumbai in one of the interviews, just like that I want to do movies now. I've done enough of TV. But if there is some character which is interesting, it could be any language. And in a very, unexpected way, this particular film came to me. No expectation of how big it would be because Ram Mohan sir, who was the
No,
producer,
producer.
just the beginning for
Oh.
them also. The second film or the third film, if I'm not wrong. Then Virenji, new director, Raj
Yeah.
Tarun, new actor. So we didn't know. I was just saying a yes because great script, great character. We'll see what happens. Then I think the biggest surprise for me was Nagarjuna sir being, on board as a co-producer
Yes.
before the release.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is getting huge now. This is not expected. And before Uyala Champala, I did come to Hyderabad once,
Oh, when?
and that was with Suma Garu,
Ah,
because there was this TV segment that we did that Chinnari Peli Kutru is like loved here, and she invited me home, and we were meeting fans. There was a fan meet and greet.
okay.
And
In
this was
2012.
No, this was before that, like 2010 or 11. Like,
Oh, okay.
I was very young. And I remember wearing that Chinnari Peli Kutru outfit and all of that. So it was much before Uyala Jampala. And I never thought that I will start doing films, and that too in a language that I have zero clue about. And nowadays, of course, I know that we have prompting, we have all of these techniques. But when I started at 15, my hero was new, my director was new, they also did not know. So I really had to mug up everything. And in Uyala Jampala, my character spoke a lot. And I also remember that I was giving my 10th boards. So I was studying, traveling, doing Sasural Samar Ka in Hindi. What chaos, but it was all worth it because what a release. I think as the first film, as a debut, I think I could not have asked for a better film.
సూపర్ రియలీ సుమగారిది అంత గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవటం ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఎప్పుడైనా కలిసారా సుమగారిని మళ్ళీ మధ్యలో?
I keep seeing her and I keep loving her. Everybody is obsessed with her. She's so perfect. I mean, when she's on stage and when she's hosting something, there is no doubt. I don't even look at actors that she's interviewing. It's her for me. I mean,
Yes.
I'm such a big fan of her, and she's been very sweet to me. And I'm so happy that it's not just her, but also her husband, also the son. Everybody is doing so great. I feel very happy seeing how the entire family is growing now. I love them.
సూపర్. ఉయ్యాల జంపల, పాప్కార్న్
Yeah.
ఇలాంటి ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ టైటిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇంకొకటి చాలా ఫేమస్ త్రినాథరావు గారు నక్కిన సినిమా
Cinema Chupisa.
సినిమా చూపిస్తా మామ, సినిమా చూపిస్తా మామ, ఆల్సో బిగ్ హిట్.
Lakshmi Rave Ma Intiki.
Lakshmi Rave
Like, all
Ma
good
Intiki.
titles I have.
నౌ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్
1920 horrors of the heart, bloody ishq, ugly story.
क्या मैम ऐसा?
I think as I'm growing up, I'm realizing that the genre of rom-com that I love, I genuinely like watching rom-com also. But as a performer, I think that when I do a serious thriller or a suspense or something which is, like it doesn't allow me to sleep at night, like that kind of satisfaction,
ఓకే.
I think I'm really inclined creatively towards all of that because it is a challenge. Honestly, it is a challenge because I am taking up some of like really difficult characters, and I feel very proud of myself when I go back home and when I talk about such films that I was a part of this film. I feel like, yeah, I don't think any other actress could have pulled it off the way I did. I think there is some uniqueness that I have for such serious roles, and I think people also have this unset expectation from me that I will not just do any other script.
ఓకే.
There has to be performance.
Yeah.
And people,
100% watched your trailer.
yeah,
Ugly story. It's amazing.
it
It's
is
beautiful.
unfortunately the dark side of the society, like the reality of what happens. But I'm glad that my directors choose me because at the end of the day, I also get to see that reality, right? Otherwise I would not have ever thought of a topic like a domestic violence or marital rape. It wasn't something that I felt personally or experienced personally. So for me, that is also a big reminder. Like for example, when I did Chinari Peli Kutru, I did not know child marriage still
Yeah.
exists. Similarly, when I did Ugly Story, I was a little shocked that there is somewhere somebody actually going through something like this. Like it really shook me.
Actually, everyday newspaper खोल तो ऐसा न्यूज़ रहते.
Yeah,
It's a sad
unfortunate.
part
Very
of
sad.
women.
I think I do not want to categorize it to women because I think men also go through a lot. We just don't get to know a lot of things, but I think that toxicity or the negativity that exists in the society, the demons of our minds, I would call it, it's
Demons,
everywhere.
100% demons.
It's everywhere. I think I'm just fortunate enough that we are bringing out such movies now. We are talking about it. Like I don't remember giving an interview where I'm talking about something like this, right? So it is very important that we make movies where we show the mirror, where we tell people that this is what is happening
Happening in
and are
the
we okay
society.
with it. I think at the end of the day, I also understand that movie making is a business and movie making is for entertainment. I get it. But if there is some message going out with entertainment, then nothing like it, right?
Correct. What kind of role you choose in Ugly Story? ఇందులో మీకు సంబంధించి నిజంగా అలాంటి సన్నివేశాలు చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు రిలేట్ అయిన సందర్భాలు ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా?
I think at all points when I was, I think to start with, when they approached me and when they told me the story, our writer director Pranav Swarup, he was the one who narrated the entire thing on a Zoom call because this was right after COVID. He narrated the whole thing, and the first question I had was, are we glorifying the toxicity that the guy is behaving like this and at the end she's all okay and happy with him? Because if that is the ending, and if we are showing that this is how you win in love, then this is wrong.
Yeah, correct. 100%
So-
correct. That is right.
And if we are glorifying the whole idea of beating someone up or being obsessed, then I can't be a part of it. Because I would not want to give out the wrong message at the end of the day. And how much ever we want to run away, but as actors, we do have that responsibility to only endorse things that we believe in. Hence, I have said no to so many alcohol brands, betting apps, things that I don't believe in. Maybe that is why you don't see me in each and every endorsement.
Yes,
because
yes.
I have that boundaries. I will not promote a fair.
You understand that.
I understand because I have seen a lot of people react to it. Like, for example, there was this 13-year-old, 14-year-old girl who came up to me at an airport one day and just said one line. She said, you were always my role model, but now I believe in you more because you said no for a fairness cream and I read your article. And she was slightly dusky, beautiful girl, but she felt confident more because of that one article, and that made me happy.
Very nice. It's
So-
great.
I have to sometimes, of course, let go of the money, but that's a choice then. And I think when it comes to selecting a project in a film also, like I said, there is this unsaid expectation people have that if Avika is there, then something is right. Even though when it comes to Ugly Story, it's purely 18 plus, people with kids should not endorse kids watching it. They should not. But at the end of the day, I want the ladies who maybe are going through something like this understand that it's high time that we put a full stop to it, or we can do something about it. We can ask for help, because nowadays people don't really even ask for help.
Oh.
So there are too many things with this project that I thought it could be such a big win if one life is changed. I don't have to change the society. That's not my responsibility. But if one person sees that and comes to me at the airport and says something like that, makes a difference to my life.
Very nice. Very
So
nice.
I think if it comes to choosing, I have been very careful, and I wish that when people see Ugly Story, they understand why I said a yes for it. And it is a very sensitive topic to even talk about when it comes to scenes, because there were some really, really disturbing scenes. I was very uncomfortable on the set. I was feeling angry. I was going back home. Like,
Why I am doing like this?
yeah.
Uh,
And, I was going back home with that feeling of complete energy drained because I was
so much of
also-
negativity.
negativity and emotionally draining, right? Because while I was acting, I was also going through that. Like, for example, if Nandu's character is coming this close and blowing cigarette smoke, it is uncomfortable for
Yes,
me.
yes.
So just acting all of that was also making me feel angry about why a girl would take all of this. Why would anybody do this to someone? These were the thoughts. So it was a very difficult project to be a part of. And finally, when I watched the film, I realized that every discomfort that I was feeling is clearly visible on screen. And that
Oh.
is exactly what we wanted for the character. We wanted people to feel bad for her. We wanted people to exactly, when she's crying, we want people to feel for her and cry.
Yeah.
And I think it worked. I think it worked. My honesty with the whole disgust feeling worked.
Yeah. Clearly,
Yeah.
visually, I watched you.
Yeah,
Your
it's
expressions.
when I even saw the trailer and when I showed it to my friends, my parents, everybody said that it is so direct. Because there are films where we see that a guy, for example, is pulling a girl, getting into the room, shutting the door, and cut. But here our director is actually showing what happens behind the door.
Oh.
So if the writing is so raw, so brutal, you will feel bad, right? At
It's
the
like a
end of
cult
it.
film.
I wish people see it that way because we have tried. We have really tried.
Are you comfortable with this character?
Not at all. I don't want to be. Why would I be comfortable? Not at all comfortable. But
As an actor?
as an actor, very proud of myself.
Oh, okay.
Because, when I am shooting, I really distract myself and feel detached with the character I'm playing. So as soon as there is a cut, I go back to my reel scrolling. I go back to something that distracts me and keeps me happy because I
Yeah.
cannot let my emotions
After
feel this
watching
way.
your reels, this is Avika. That not
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah,
Avika.
Yeah. I love watching memes. I love watching all of this. I keep myself away from what the character is feeling. But when it is the time between action and cut, I give my 100% into feeling whatever the character is feeling and I forget Avika in that moment. So while doing all of that, the process of getting in, switch on and switch off and all of that, I felt very proud of myself because this was that film where these were very extreme emotions being played. There are not too many dialogues I have in the films. It's more of the silent suffering, body language, eyes. There is more of all of this, and I think when I saw the end product, I really felt proud of the actor I am becoming. Because if this script would have come to me maybe 6 years back or 4 years back, I wouldn't understand the depth of being a woman that I understand now. So I think with maturity, that is also very visible on screen now. So everything happens at the right time in your life, and this character, according to me, happened at the right time because when I was talking to somebody and they asked me, "What is your dream role like?" I said there used to be one which was #bro
Hmm.
because that was the character which blew my mind. It changed my life because before that I didn't have fun in life. I was happy, no doubts there. But that particular character made me feel that anything can happen any minute. I rather live.
Yeah.
That was my character. The main intention of that character was be happy. And it changed my life. I really, take back things from my characters and I become that personality or learn something from my characters. And with time, I've realized that every character that I have done, there's so much growth that I see in myself as a person. Because in #bro is a very bubbly, chirpy, talkative, happy character. And now when you see this film, you'll realize that it's not the
Complete
same
change.
person. Like, it's a completely different person. And that is, as an actor, I think that's the biggest achievement, right? When you're able to do this and this. So I think, whenever it comes to my dream roles or anything, it's just about taking up such challenges. Like, if I can do this, I can do that, I'm happy.
Your partner in this film is Nandu.
Yes.
how he is work.
He is so good.
He-
Off
he-
screen.
he's off screen. His personality not like that.
No.
He's
like
he's a very good guy.
Very good guy, very respectful, very like we have become great friends over the period of time because we did Mansion 24 together, we did Vaduhu together. This is our third project together.
Yeah.
So we have spent enough time during shoots and promotions and we know each other. So there's enough comfort. But when it comes to his talent, I was surprised. I mean, there were so many difficult scenes that he had to do, and so there are difficult scenes, that's one, but then you make it all believable is the second and the most important thing, I
But
think,
that's important.
as an actor. And at not even once in the film when I saw it, I didn't feel that it was Nandu. It was a character casting, and he was so good. He was unbelievable. Like, I always tell him that this is his best performance till date, and I've seen a lot of his work. This one is
Really,
another.
I am also same. I felt surprised. Arey, what a trailer, Nandu. You
And
did
what a daring job to do,
Yeah.
right? Because
so much
he's
of
a
negativity. Yeah.
for a hero to do something which is like, people will hate him and people should hate him because that's the idea of the film. And of course it's me, so things happening to me, people should hate him. But eventually not thinking of what my image would be after this, not thinking of all of that, and just treating this as a project that is a challenge. I think he is equally mad as I am, and that I loved about him. He did a very good job.
Very good job. That's fantastic actually.
Yes.
Why he looks like what is
Yeah,
kind
even
of
the posters.
yeah.
Or every poster, like, I have seen so many films and posters, they look very picture perfect and like how they're supposed to be. But in this, you see characters. It's not the hero or the heroine. It's not about that. It's a character that you're seeing in the posters, and I think he's great at emoting with his eyes. And I think some of the greatest actors have been able to do that, and that's very important.
యా మీరు మాట్లాడుతుంటే గుర్తొచ్చింది గ్రేటెస్ట్ యాక్టర్స్ ఎవర్ అన్నప్పుడు 1980s సంథింగ్ చిరంజీవి గారు did his in first 30-40 films the hero,
Yes.
but he's enjoying the characters that time.
Correct.
He did so many beautiful movies like ఇంట్లో రామయ్య వీధిలో కృష్ణయ్య, like కోటరామ కృష్ణ గారు డైరెక్టర్, చిరంజీవి గారు హీరో. In that particular సినిమా 47 రోజులు 47 days, బాలచంద్ర గారు డైరెక్టర్. ఇది కథ కాదు, సేమ్ లైక్ దట్, సేమ్ నందు యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు
Right.
ఆ మూవీస్ అన్ని వచ్చినాయి నా మైండ్ లోకి.
Even that one, Dar and Bazigar, Shah Rukh Khan. So very strong, like technically in those films. there are-
బాజీగర్ డర్.
Yeah, both of them. I think Nandu has done a great job, and this is going to 22nd of May. There are 2-3 people whose lives are changing, and I'm being very honest. One is our writer director Pranav Swaroop. He has no idea what he has done, because for a debut director to do this,
It's amazing.
my mind is blown. So his life is changing, Nandu's life is changing. I hope mine also changes, and our DOP. You won't believe there are frames in the film where with the lighting you understand the emotion of the scene. It's not, the dialogues have not even started, but you know with the lighting what's coming next.
Okay.
And it's the magic
The
of
mood
the
of lighting.
Absolutely. What detailing. I was so impressed. I was like, everything put together, this film has really turned out amazing. The sound design. And of course, the music director has done a great job, but the sound design of everything is like, it will give you goosebumps. And I'm so excited for 22nd, honestly.
సూపర్ మీరు చెప్తుంటేనే నాకు ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు చూడాలని
I can't wait for you to watch it,
Yeah.
because I know for a fact that he'll give like really honest reviews, and I want that. So yeah, please watch it, and please let me know how you like it.
Yeah, 100%. I know your growth and your development in films. Day one నుంచి ఇప్పుడు కూడా చూస్తున్నాను. And you are a business woman. You are a business woman, and you have so many thoughts.
So I have decided in my life that I have a brain and I want to use it.
Yes, that's it.
So it's simple. So last year I also wrote a book. I became an author, and
Yeah, the Radha also.
yeah,
What is that book name?
Trust Fall.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a
it's
novel.
a real life story of Avika Gaur?
No.
No.
It's a novel It's a fiction and it is a spy thriller.
Oh.
So yeah, so I have decided I will do everything in life. I'm not going to stop at anything. Just because I'm an actor, I should only act is a wrong. It's a myth. I cannot be doing, and I don't want to limit myself. Hence, author was something that was on my bucket list. I started doing that. I'm still doing it. I wanted to learn screenplay writing. I did that from New York Film Academy. So now I'm officially I can write screenplays. I wanted to do that. Last year, I also launched my clothing brand. So now I have a clothing.
What is the brand name?
Shiro.
Shiro.
Yeah. It's like she who's the hero. So
Okay.
Shiro.
Okay. Shiro.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So I think
Very
there-
thoughtful idea.
actually my pet dog who passed away last year, his name was also Shiro.
Oh.
So I have two meanings to it, and they are very close to my heart. So that clothing brand happened last year. Then production is going great, along with Popcorn that
Popcorn
you watched.
movie?
Yes, along with that,
Are you
we
safe in that
also-
particular movie, Popcorn,
yeah, we recovered.
as a producer?
So happy to say that, because as a producer there is so much of pressure. Not it's not about making a film. Making a film is part one.
Yeah.
Going and talking about your film and making sure it is sold is a different ballgame altogether.
It's a football game.
Absolutely.
It's a football
There are
game.
too many people who will, because of the face value that I have, would want to be nice to me and be like, yeah, we are taking it. But unless it is on papers, I can't believe it, right? So I have gone back and forth about such things like a zillion times. But at the end of the day, I was 24 when I started my production. I was not expecting that I will get such a good response. But when I saw that, people are actually liking the film, then of course, people did not go to the theaters, honestly.
Yeah.
Because it was a very small film, I would say, because entire film happens in a lift. So, concept-wise, people thought that it's not a big enough thing for theater, which is also a fair way to think. So I'm not going to blame the audience.
It's a OTT film.
Yeah.
It's a pure OTT film.
But it was right after COVID, right?
Right after COVID time, and Avika is there.
Yeah.
So many things happen.
Yeah,
Something in theater also it's good.
No, but in theaters we did not make any enough money. We had to give it to Amazon Prime Video, and their kind of people watched it in Hindi, dubbed in Bengali. They watched it in multiple.
How many languages you did
The
that?
dubbing. I think it's in Marathi, Bengali, Kannada, Hindi. If I'm not wrong, Tamil also. I'm not sure about Tamil, but yeah, these. So basically, because it was in multiple languages, people watched it, and then we felt safe. But at the end of the day, it's not just the journey of that one film coming out, right? It's how you promote it. It's a lot. As a producer, there is like a complete
360 degrees knowledge you want.
yeah. And people do ask me what after that, right? And there is something that we have worked on. The post-production is going on right now. Again, a Telugu film. I'm very comfortable producing in Telugu because firstly, I love the industry.
Yeah.
I've received a lot of love, admiration, and a lot from people here. So I would want to do something for them at the end of the day. So, and I also have that comfort because I have the right team and everything here. So there's one project that we have already done shooting, post-production is on. And apart from that, everybody asks me what more for the production, and I recently produced 25 different series.
Cuckoo TV.
Cuckoo TV,
Yeah.
So we produced all of that, and it's a very different ballgame because micro dramas are picking up now.
No.
It wasn't a thing few years back.
What type of budgets they gave?
It completely depends on what kind of story it is, what are the actors you are taking. So it completely depends. Like it can either start from 15 lakhs and maybe end till 50. So it completely depends on what kind of projects they are, and we have gone in every.
How many
range.
days should the shoot days, time and period?
Again, depends on the script, right?
Okay.
If the script is, all over the place, has too much VFX, then obviously it will take more time. But the intention of micro drama is to make all of this much more quicker. So it obviously doesn't take 30 days or anything. It is definitely much shorter. And honestly, it is lesser than 10 days.
Less than 10 days, it's going to.
So it's also about the experience we wanted as a production, because it was a new thing for us completely. And
So many
Uh,
challenges and so many new people
and
around you.
every few days, there is this new writer we are working with, and obviously there are shorter delivery timelines, right?
Mm.
We want things faster. We want, like, even the actors, I mean, in a day they are doing so many scenes. It's not easy to do that.
Right.
So you need to have like everything correct. The directors are working so hard and taking out like so many minutes in a day. It's not an easy job. So a very different direction completely, which we as a production team wanted to take, and we did, and very happy about it. And then I also got to endorse Kuku TV for a while. So yeah, I've been all over the place, not just acting but doing everything else.
Very nice, very nice, very so many things you calculated, and everyday learning process.
Yeah, and it's fun.
Hmm.
I mean, every day I wake up feeling what new today,
Hmm.
and that's such a nice feeling. It's fun.
May 22
Yes.
क्या हो रहा है?
So May 22nd is, I think, is going to be very special for all of us as a team of Ugly Story, because it's not every day that we make a film like this.
Yeah.
It's a rare opportunity with a rare script, with a very brave step by the director, because this kind of a script coming as a debut, I think, is a very brave step for the director. He could have easily chosen a rom-com. He could have easily
Yeah.
chosen a commercial, drama or something, but he chose this. So I think it really needs guts to do something like that. And it's going to be a very special day, and people will remember it. I'm so sure about it.
ఇప్పుడైతే మీరు ఉమెన్కి సంబంధించి వైలెన్స్ జరుగుతుంది, మీకు చాలా స్టోరీస్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి ప్రతిరోజు కూడా, ఉమెన్ మీద అలానా అట్రాసిటీ జరుగుతుంది అని. అలాగే మెన్ మీద కూడా జరుగుతుంది.
Yeah.
సో మెనీ, అసలు ఈ మధ్య లవ్ స్టోరీస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయంటే, ఇదివరకు ఎవరికైనా ఒకళ్ళకి ఒక మీద ఇంకొకళ్ళకి నచ్చలేదు అనే అభిప్రాయం ఉంటే దే డివర్స్,
Yeah.
దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎవరి లైఫ్ వాళ్ళది.
But I think too many people are actually stuck, like they have reasons to not walk out of such relationships. Maybe, they have gone through a love marriage where they have left their home. Now they can't go back. Maybe
That is one of the reason.
Yeah, the lady maybe is not financially independent, and they feel that this is all they have and they can't move out. So there are too many factors, which is why people feel like they are stuck in a situation. And it is unfortunate. Like, it is really sad. And at the end of the day, like you said, it's not just the ladies who are suffering, it's the men also. And I think that's the reality of the society. And it's good that with the news and with everything that we keep reading, we get this information, because otherwise we would not even know. This might be happening since ages, we don't know about it. But now that we know, what we can do about it is, like, if I see somebody going through something, I would not hesitate asking that, do you need help here? Now, at the end of the day, it's the person's choice to involve me in a situation or tell me, yes, I need help, or yes, I want to do something about it. But it's again that person's belief and choice, right? That's the maximum I can do.
Correct.
And when we are making such films where we show a very different side to, and I can say this openly now, that towards the end you will also see Karthik's character in a situation where you will see what happens with him, and then you will also see what happens with her. Like, there is an entire journey of the graph of the characters, right? So when you see that, you'll also know that, or somebody who's going through will also know that this is also something that we can get in life. So why not? So maybe, if, like I said, now, if one life also changes because of entertainment, then why not?
కరెక్ట్. దట్స్ వై ఇక స్టోరీస్కి వచ్చేసరికి చాలా స్టోరీస్లో
Yeah.
ఇప్పుడు చంపేస్తున్నారు, మనుషులు చంపేసుకుంటున్నారు.
Yeah.
చంపేసి మంచిగా స్టవ్ల మీద పెట్టి వండేస్తున్నారు.
There's- we all have these inner demons, inner negative thoughts and everything, and we are sane enough to not just do random things like that and all of this. And some people maybe actually need medical help and they are not able to get it,
Yeah.
or we don't know what's going on.
Mm.
At the end of the day, I just wish and hope that if anybody is going through something like this, and if they have raised their voice against it, the justice is served. And if they are on the verge of being, or feeling that this might happen someday because this is the kind of person I'm with, then they should just walk off, because it takes courage to do that also.
Yes.
I'm able to say this very easily because I'm not the one suffering, but it's not going to be easy for a lot of people to take that charge in their own.
మీరు మీ స్టోరీస్ లో అనేకం చూపిస్తున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో అగ్లీ స్టోరీలను తీసుకుంటే
Yeah, yeah.
ఎన్నో చూపిస్తున్నారు. ఇందులో ఫైనల్లీ విక్టిమ్ కి న్యాయం జరుగుతుందా?
I mean, if
అదే
it
న్యాయమా?
was-
మీరు చెప్పేది న్యాయమా?
if it was not going in the direction of that in the film,
Hmm.
if it was going in the direction of Nandu's character Karthik getting what he wants, then I would not be a part of the film, right?
Yes.
I did the film because at the end of the day, we see something which will make the audience feel that the story is complete. We don't want to let audience go out of the theaters and feel like, but why was she going through this? We don't want that. At the end of the day, we want them to feel like, great,
కరెక్ట్.
this is what should happen. So I think if that is what the intention of the film is, then I, as an audience, when I watched it, I liked the ending.
ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫిల్మ్ కార్తిక్ వాస్ లైవ్.
That I can't tell you. I can't tell you if my character is also alive.
అదే అదే అడుగుతున్నా నేను. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ నేమ్? నందు నేమ్ ఇస్
Neha.
కార్తిక్.
Neha.
Neha is a pretty girl, pretty woman. It's a love story or
It's ugly story. There is no love story. There's ugly story. If there is any name given to the whole story as romance or love story or anything positive, then I don't think we'll be justifying the story. Hence we call it ugly story, and hence we want to tell people that whatever Karthik does in the name of love is obsession. It's toxic.
it's a toxic.
Yeah, it is toxic. It is not a love story. And if you are in a love like Karthik's, you're not in love.
That is not a love.
That is not love.
Purely in this particular film, Nandu became very amma boy. Karthik character ఎందుకు చేసావు? So many people asking Nandu, why you are doing such a
Yeah,
kind of character?
Because
No,
I
no.
think he's mad. He really wants to prove himself as an actor. And I think he's also been around for a while with all his highs and lows of his careers. And he's been there, he has disappeared, then the hosting or anchoring happened. He has had enough of experience to understand that he has to create his niche, which is going to be experimental / performance based characters. And I think we are in a way very similar, where we like the idea of challenging ourselves. If it was a simple character, maybe Nandu would be like, okay, it's nothing much, but this is challenging. So I think that is why he chose it.
I watched you as a baby.
Yeah.
Balika Vadu, and after that you entered into the 15 Uyala Jampala, and you are rocking into the producing. After this,
I try.
this is the ugly story.
Yeah.
And you are a business woman.
Absolutely.
पति पत्नी और पंगा. क्या करते हो आपका?
He's the senior product manager at Agoda right now, and he's been a corporate guy, and yeah, very different lives.
Very different lives.
Very different lives.
How you manage both?
I don't have to manage his work. He'll manage his work. No, I think when it comes to us and our understanding, mine and Milan, we have been together for almost 7 years now. So we know each other like in and out. He lives right now in Bangkok, so I also keep going there. I obviously work in India, so I have to come here. But yeah, it's a very different life after being married, because actually not that different, because we lived like a married couple even before that. Our families accepted us much before we got married.
When it is happened?
The marriage, 30th September last year.
Last year?
Yeah.
Last year, 30 sir.
So we have always been like, you know, like
30th September. Before he know मिलन कब मिला पहले?
7 years.
7 years back. Who proposed first?
You think I will let anybody else speak?
Uh,
I only did. I only proposed. I only told him. He friend zoned me for 6 months. And yeah, I was very disappointed. My ego was hurt. Like, how dare he friend zone me? I'm the actress. I'm whatever. So my ego was hurt. But he's the mature one. He said that if we are getting into a relationship, then it has to be like we have to be sure about it. We cannot just be in a relationship. So yeah, 6 months or so, 7 months, we were friends, and then we started to date, and then we got engaged, and then he proposed me for marriage, because obviously I proposed him to be my boyfriend, so he had to do for me being his wife at least. So good he did. But yeah, then we got married on a reality show, which was crazy. Nobody expected. And yeah.
yeah,
that's
I
how-
don't. నేను
yeah.
కూడా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు అది. అన్ని చాలా సర్ప్రైజ్ చేసేస్తున్నావు అన్ని.
I also wake up with surprises every day.
Yeah.
What is new today? Now?
Yeah.
What did I learn today? Every day something new.
What is next projects?
The only thing that has been announced is my new reality show, next reality show, which is called Khatron Ke Khiladi Fear Factor.
ఖత్రోం కే ఖిలాడి.
Khatron Ke Khiladi, which
Fear
is
Factor.
Fear Factor, yeah. And
Where is the location?
Cape Town this time.
Cape Town. Oh.
So we are all leaving in like day after.
Oh.
So yeah, too much pressure because I'm not prepared at all. I've been constantly shooting, working, giving interviews. So I have zero preparation and I don't know what I'm going to do, but we'll see. Yeah.
सब हो जाएगा आपका.
Everybody is confident about me but me. I'm not confident at all. It's not just physical strength, but it's also mental and emotional strength when it comes to stunts, because like what
Everyone
will you
knows
do?
your strengths. That's why everyone knows you are capable for everything.
See,
You are do.
I wish and pray that this confidence that you have in me is visible when I do the stunts.
Yes, yes.
Because otherwise I feel genuinely very scared of a lot of things. But we'll see. I hope I do great.
When is your planning?
No plans yet.
Mhm.
No plans yet.
No
I
plan.
am really enjoying this phase of the newly
Married
married.
couple.
Yeah. And also there's so much that I need to.
What is in
myself.
Milan's mind? Same question. Milan को क्या चाहिए?
उसको चाहिए जो अविका को चाहिए.
Okay.
So he's very like open with the idea of whatever Avika does, whatever she decides, because
She knows everything. She is very capable of everything.
yeah,
She's
and
fantastic woman.
He
Not
loves
she
me
is.
blindly.
That's why.
That's why.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
कैसा है mother father कैसा है?
All good, all perfect. Absolutely perfect. Very blessed.
When is your next film in production?
Now, the production film, we are right now doing the post production. So I want that to release and only then take up the next one. I want that to complete and I want to be happy with it completely. Apart from that, the series and everything, they keep happening. So that is never stopping. And yeah, a lot of new things, like I mentioned about the book and the clothing brand. I think I'll keep coming up. I'll also surprise myself soon with something completely out of my mind, different. So we'll see.
You did ugly story. In every woman life, ఎక్కడో అక్కడ ఎవరో ఒక బ్యాడ్ టచ్ ఓ ఎక్కడో సంథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్ యూనో వాట్ ఎవర్ మీకున్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా సచ్ బ్యాడ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్
I've been very lucky. No. Nothing like that has happened with me. And I think I have also, if at all something I felt might happen, even with that feeling, I have voiced it out. Like for example, I was in Russia, Kazakhstan when I was shooting, or when I was promoting my Kazakh film. And I obviously don't understand Russian well or anything, and there were people talking around me, and these were bodyguards, okay? And I for some reason felt very uncomfortable with a bodyguard around me, and I just told the team that this person needs to stay away. So even before things happened, I have been very like alert with such things. So I don't think I've experienced it, and I'm glad. I mean, there are so many people who have uh, traumas. It's not just about experiencing; it stays with you for your life. It's almost like a scar in your life, and I'm just so glad that I haven't experienced anything, because unfortunately I should not be feeling privileged that that I haven't experienced. It should be something normal, but because we live in a society where these things have become so normal, like when people even go in a public transport, it happens. So I think
ఎవ్రీ
it's
డే
so sad.
సో మెనీ. మీరు ఎవరినన్నా అడగండి, మీరు ఉమెన్, మీ చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న ఉమెన్ కానీ, ఒక టీనేజ్ గర్ల్, టీనేజ్ టు
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
గ్రోయింగ్ ఉమెన్,
I think
ఎవ్రీవన్ నోస్.
the simple solution that I think, if something happens to me, would be my great reflexes. Like if somebody comes close or does anything, the first thing I would do is punch them very hard, and then like really create a scene so that people know that I'm not going to take it. I think this is the worst case I'm feeling, or if at all it happens. But the point is, it should not happen. The point is that we need to teach our kids. We need to teach it. It has to start from the beginning. It has to be like people have to talk about it to their children and make sure that they do not do this to anyone. It is not about, again, it's not about girls or women. It's anyone.
అండ్ వన్ మోర్ థింగ్, ఇన్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అందరూ మాట్లాడతారు. ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ అనగానే ఒక చీప్ మాటలు మాట్లాడేస్తారు, చాలా ఫాస్ట్గా జడ్జ్ చేస్తారు, ఆ పీపుల్ని జడ్జ్ చేస్తారు. బట్ ఇన్ రియాలిటీ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్ సంథింగ్ ఈస్ వెరీ గుడ్.
So for me, I will only talk about my experiences, because there are too many people going through the dark side of it also. So I don't want to get into that. But my experience, because I started very early, I was always protected by my parents on sets, on locations. Even the first 3 Telugu films that I did, my parents were on sets with me all the time. So
Right.
I have been very protected in my younger days. And after that,
You realize,
I realized when I was like, I can take care of myself is when they kind of stopped coming with me. But at the end of the day, by then, I was working with people that I already knew and I was comfortable with. Hence, they stopped coming.
yeah,
And with all of that, people really treat me very differently because I have been around for so long. Like, see, if I go to a set today, there is a different level of respect I receive
Yeah.
because of my experience, because of my exposure in life, and because of how I have been relevant all these years. So
and
there
you
is-
know that team and staff. I know your makeup assistant
yeah.
or personal assistant Bobby since 10 years.
Yeah, even Sashi Anna, my makeup, he's
Ah,
been
Shashi.
there from my
Yeah.
second film, Lakshmi Ravamai. So yeah, I have worked with people who have known me, and see, for Bobby and Shashi Anna and all these guys, I am still that 15-year-old who came and who started off. Right?
Yeah.
They, like, you know how they say for parents, the child will always remain like a child. These people treat me like that.
Yes, yes.
So I have always
Every
felt
time
very safe.
I saw that.
Yeah, they treat me like that also. Like if I'm
You are
Doing
their
something or-
kid.
yeah and not just them, like even I think the audiences, right? Whenever I go for an event, like for example, if I go to a smaller region, like for example a Kakinada or a Guntur or some place like that, touchwood, people do not misbehave
Yeah.
because they all treat me like their own family member of sort.
Exactly,
Right?
exactly.
Nobody misbehaves, and when people come to me, interact with me, I genuinely feel safe because they are just showing their love without any ulterior motive.
Why is that? You are also like that. You are also
I'm
very,
also like that,
very
yeah.
happy soul, and you know the audience reactions.
Yeah.
What is the looks like? వాళ్ళ ఐడియాస్ ఏంటి, వాళ్ళు ఎలా మంచిగా వచ్చారు మీ
Yes.
దగ్గరికి, వాళ్ళు ఎంత మంచిగా మిమ్మల్ని ట్రీట్ చేస్తున్నారు అనేది మీకు అర్థమైపోతుంది.
Yeah. And I think, even when we, I'm also on social media, so I also see a lot of actresses face a lot
Yeah.
of things in public and all of that, in mob and all of that. But with me, I think I'm very lucky that way, because I have really met people who would want to maintain that distance with me, and if they don't, they know they'll be slapped.
ఎస్ కరెక్ట్, దట్స్ ట్రూ. అది కాక నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఎప్పటి నుంచో చూస్తున్నాను కదా, ఆ డే 1 నుంచి ఈ రోజు వరకు కూడా మీరు ప్రమోషన్స్కి చాలాసార్లు మనం కలిసాం, ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఒక వేరేగా కనిపించలేదు. అంటే నా ఉద్దేశం, ఇప్పుడు మీరే చెప్తున్నారు సోషల్ మీడియాలో మనం చూస్తుంటే కనుక, సోషల్ మీడియాలో వాళ్ళ డ్రెస్సులు కానీ, ఎస్పెషల్లీ నేను చూస్తున్న కొన్ని నార్త్ సైడ్, బాలీవుడ్ సైడ్ కానీ, వాళ్ళు వేసుకున్న డ్రెస్సులు కానీ, అపిరెన్సెస్ కానీ, వాళ్ళు దేనికోసం అలా వేసుకుంటారో నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
No. I would like to disagree there, because I, as an actor, if you watch me during my promotions for Popcorn, and if you watch me during my promotions for the film Net for ZEE5 that I did, in both those, or my Hindi films 1920 and Bloody Ishq, these were the 4 films where my character was very sensual, very young, very trendy, and I did wear short dresses. I did wear things.
No.
What I'm trying to say is that at the end of the day, how we carry ourselves are the characters that we carry. So, like right now, I'm wearing this not because Avika wants to wear it. This is going with the theme of the character.
Character Neha.
Neha cannot be sitting in a skirt right now. And what I want to tell people right now is go watch Neha. That is my intention with this look right now. So every actress chooses that.
Of course, నేను మాట్లాడుతుంది ఏంటంటే, ఇప్పుడు సోషల్ మీడియాలో చాలా గొడవలు జరుగుతున్నాయి ఈ ఉమెన్ డ్రెస్సెస్ గురించి కానీ, ఉమెన్ కి సంబంధించి కానీ. నేను ప్లీజ్ కంప్లీట్ మై క్వశ్చన్. అలా వచ్చినప్పుడు మీకు అసలుకి మిమ్మల్ని ఎవరు ఏమనలేదు ఎప్పుడు కూడా? మీరు స్కట్స్, నేను నా ఆఫీస్లోనే మీరు మీ ప్రమోషన్స్ చేసుకున్నారు, నాకు చూశాను కదా, అప్పుడు కూడా నేను చూశాను. బట్ ఎక్కడ కూడా మీకు ఆ డ్రెస్ బ్యూటిఫుల్కి లిటిల్ బిట్ వల్గారిటీకి చిన్న స్లైట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను.
No, I'll tell you, it is because of people and the way they see it. I have also received bad comments. That's what I'm trying to say. That when I was dressing up a certain way for characters, people did not take it nicely. Some people, not everyone.
No,
some
that's
people always will have problems.
Yeah.
And at
that
the
is
end
that
of
is
the day,
those mindsets.
yeah, absolutely. And see, if I'm playing a character, I would want to be 100% honest with it. In 1920, in Bloody Ishq, the 2 films that I did in Hindi, my character was hot, sensual, everything that I never imagined myself to be. I was like,
You never imagined that.
Yeah, because when the directors approached me, I was shocked. Like, me for this? I was shocked. But when they did, when I played the character, when I understood that this is, as an actor, this is also a challenge. At home, I would wear a jeans and a top, but people are not seeing that on the bigger screen, right? People want to see the character. And for each and every character, as an actor, we have to do what we are supposed to do at the end of the day. And if, there are characters where the vulgarity is important, then why not? Because that's the character I'm playing. That's not Avika.
Okay.
So if there is a thin line that, like you said, between looking modern and Western and the vulgarity, but if there is a character which demands, like if there is a theme about a bar dancer, then I will have to look like a bar dancer.
Bar dancer, that's
right.
Right.
So there are things that we actresses choose to do.
నేను మాట్లాడుతుంది సోషల్ మీడియాలో జరుగుతున్న గొడవల గురించి.
No. I think it is not how we do it. It's about how people receive it. If the audiences see a Miss Universe pageant, for example,
Exactly.
there are so many girls walking in a bikini.
Yeah, bikini and 2 pieces are very small 2 pieces.
Correct. And there people, why they respect it? Because it's a big stage. It's a Miss Universe pageant happening.
Yeah.
But if
It's a internationally standards accepted that.
yeah, so we are okay with it. But if the same thing is happening on social media, maybe in a reel or something, which according to you is not okay, then you will have a reason to be like, this is vulgar, or this is not nice, this is not our upbringing, and we should not be, this is not our culture. We say all of that, but at the end of the day, this person and that person, they both are doing their job. They both at the end of the day are doing something that according to them is right. So who are we to judge that, right?
Yeah, of course.
Absolutely.
That is I'm asking.
Yeah.
That's why I'm asking, and I told so many people.
Yeah.
That's her perception.
Yes.
That's
It's
her mind.
choice.
That's her choice. Who can
Absolutely.
we judge?
Absolutely.
That's-
Absolutely. Agreed. 100% agreed.
That's the I'm asking. I'm trying to.
I think it should be.
If you are like it, it's like.
Yeah.
If you don't like, don't watch that. Very simple.
That is such a beautiful thing. Please, guys, listen to this. If you don't like it, don't watch it.
Yeah.
I think we live in a time now where it is so interesting to hear these point of views,
Yeah.
talk about these things, and we have the audience to understand this, which is the most beautiful thing. I feel like this conversation 10 years back will not happen like this.
Yes. Correct. 100%.
And I think we are all growing as humans, as a society.
Yeah.
We are all learning so much, and it is so amazing.
Now you're coming in AI technology, and which is right one which we're talking in this interview.
Absolutely.
This is perfect straight interview or AI interview. Everyone should think like that.
No, so AI, I think, honestly, I think it's very scary. Because
Very.
it is.
You tried something in AI?
No, I don't think I want to. According to me, it's. So I would try things in a very different way. Because, for example, ChatGPT, right? Like the most basic. It will give you a lot of information around the world to come with a solution. So, for example, if somebody is going through hair fall, they can literally put in that, give me a solution or a serum or whatever, which will give me result in like 1 month, and this thickness, my hair is curly. I would put in everything and I'll get a solution very easily. So these are the things that I don't mind using artificial intelligence for. But when it comes to the whole different darkness of it, which is maybe converting pictures into something else, or
Yeah.
like the actresses, a lot of actresses go through this, right? Like
Yeah.
where their costumes and outfits are completely changed. All of that is very scary because that is all without consent.
Exactly. That is my point. And ChatGPT. I want to interview Avika Gore. What they can give? 4 to 5 questions.
Yeah.
But in this long conversation, why we are using ChatGPT?
Right.
This is a content creation,
Right.
no? This is a person to person reliable,
Right.
person to person
Right.
knowing each other.
Yeah.
It's not easy to
Yeah.
giving ChatGPT.
Absolutely.
You understand what I'm trying to say?
Agreed. I think at the end of the day, we need to choose the lines we draw.
Yeah.
Like
Where
what
can
to
we
ask-
stop?
Yeah, we cannot treat ChatGPT as our therapist, right? We
Yeah.
have to go to a therapist if we need help.
Yeah.
So we cannot be like doing that. And see, at the end of the day, if I'm doing something sweet, for example, there was Mother's Day, right?
Yeah.
I wrote a nice message for my mom and I wrote it. I did
Yes.
not ChatGPT.
Exactly.
So that's the point.
Exactly. What is in your mother emotion? You know perfectly. What is Avika Gore? I know. Why? Because I completely నేను చూస్తానే పెరిగాను మిమ్మల్ని. Then నేను చాట్ జీపీటీని అడగటం ఏంటి? End of the day, Wikipedia is fine. Wikipedia is information what you did the films 2013 Uyala Jampala 2015 cinema
But
చూపిస్తాం
there is
అమ్మ.
still so much missing in Wikipedia.
Yeah, exactly. There is a number of dates and everything is wrong. Yeah.
I think nowadays I only believe things that somebody is speaking themselves, because if I am talking about, okay, I have a clothing brand,
Yeah.
this is something real that I'm speaking, right?
Yes.
If somebody says even in a news article that Avika has launched, I will not believe it.
Mhm.
Because it might just be like, okay, she maybe has some partner, she's his partner, she doesn't know what she's doing. There are so many thoughts, and at the end of the day, artificial intelligence is exactly creating all that, right? Like there's so much information we have, and nowadays almost every kid has a phone.
Yeah.
And it's just so scary because artificial intelligence can really like create some thoughts that we are not even ready for. It's not my zone at all. Like I use it, like I said, only till a point where for example, if I am saying that if this is the hairstyle that I did recently, I checked if this will work on my face features. Now this is the information that I can get.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is basic, but why it should be done is my choice, right? Like why I wanted this hair is my choice. Like it's for a project.
That's
for
your
something.
personal thing.
Yeah, so that ChatGPT can't help me with. So I think these are the limitations that I think we have to draw.
Anyways, very nice conversation and very
Thank you.
beautiful chat with you.
Thank you so much.
And all the very best. You did without Avika Gore, that character Neha. Very nice.
I hope that people see that, because as an actor, I think every character we do, we end up feeling that this is what we have given 100% for. This is the best work till now. Every project we keep feeling that, because we are also growing.
Yes.
But this film has a very special place in my heart because of the efforts that we have all put in. It's a difficult
How many
one.
days you did this film?
35 or more.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Because I'm including songs and everything. But
Beckham Gopal is one of the producer.
so he has been the guidance for the film.
Okay.
He's definitely been there because he was the one because of whom the director reached out to me. So
Okay.
he's been there in the whole process till the release. Like even for the trailer launch, he was there talking about the film.
Yes.
So he's like this guidance for the film, and I kind of trust his instinct with scripts. I think he really knows what works with the audience. And Cinema to Mr. Mama,
He knows, he
hashtag
knows, he
Bro,
knows.
I think two
Husharu.
of my favorite films have been through him. So why not?
Very nice. And all the very best.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, very nice.
See you very, very soon.
Yes. యా టాక్ తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులందరికీ చెప్తున్నాను, ఈ అమ్మాయి చాలా కష్టపడి ఇక్కడ దాకా వచ్చింది. అన్ని చూస్తూనే వచ్చాం కాబట్టి నేను కూడా కొంచెం మాట్లాడాను. మీరు కూడా చూసి ఆనందించండి. ఈ అమ్మాయి చేసిన, ఈ అమ్మాయికి అసలుకి ఈ అమ్మాయి షూస్లో సంబంధం లేని ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ చేసింది. అది నాకు ఎంతో ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అనిపించింది. అందుకనే ఈ అమ్మాయితో ఒక స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్ చేశాము. చూస్తూనే ఉండండి టాక్ తెలుగు. నేను మీ శివ మల్లాల.
So I had a lovely, lovely conversation with Shivamji, and I'm so happy that Tag Telugu chose me for this particular very intelligent, very clear conversation. Because I realized that Ugly Story 22nd of May that is releasing is going to be a special film. But with that special film, we also have to tell audience what Avika is actually thinking and what she actually feels. So thank you for bringing that reality out.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.
ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.